Hello, Greg here from Adventure Spec. If you have one of these mini fairings and you are about to install one of these stickers onto the front, this is a very quick video to give you my tip on getting a perfect result. Okay, so these stickers are designed to fit perfectly onto the mini fairing screen. It's not a huge bit of plastic and a huge bit of graphic, unlike some of the complex shapes that you might have on your motocross bike, enduro bike, whatever, that if you've done this before. It's fairly simple. You can just go ahead, peel it off and stick it straight on. But if you want an absolute perfect result, this is the tip that I was given by the company that actually manufactured these stickers for us. You're gonna need a knife and a ruler or straight edge. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to peel off the back, but I'm not going to discard it. I'm going to carefully, this is the sticker, I'm putting the sticker to the side carefully without getting any muck on it. And this is what I've just taken off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a strip. This doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm going to cut. See, that's quite good. I'll do the thickness of my ruler. Strip. Okay, so I've got two parts now. And I'm going to discard that part. And then I'm going to bring my sticky sticker back over here. I'm actually going to put these two parts back on the sticker. So that will leave a nice sticky bit down the middle. Okay, this is my mini fairing. What this allows me to do is have a little bit of movement and wiggle room before I decide exactly where it's going to go. And if I didn't do that, I would not have that required wiggle room. So I'm just lining it up exactly how I want it. Make sure it's sitting. See, that's a little low, so I'll just come up a bit. Okay. So I've now stuck the middle section down. That middle section is nice and firm, and I'm happy with the the gaps all the way around the edge. And then I'm just gonna unpeel one side carefully. Move my graphics to the edge. Making sure I don't get any air bubbles in. And I'm going to carefully do the other side. Boom. Alright, there we have it. Nice and evenly attached without any bubbles. Super simple. The last part of the job is these have all been supplied without any holes for the bolts to attach to the actual fairing support. You can see the holes are on the back there. So by just kind of pushing in a little bit, you can get a good idea of where those holes are. And I just use a sharp knife just to put a little X in the middle of those. And that's gonna allow me to take my bolt and push it through nice and neat, no drama. And it's gonna come out the other side. So this is the mount that it's going to go onto. This is the universal mount. but you can get this for the Honda CRFs as well. And this is simply going to mount in place like this. Okay, so that is it. That's the graphics mounted onto the Mini Fairing screen, which is then mounted onto the Mini Fairing holder, which can then be mounted onto your bike via your handlebars. This is a 28mm, it also comes in a 22mm mount, and dedicated mounts for the CRFs. So yeah, this graphic was designed by Andy Garside, very talented designer of Sideburn magazine fame. Really happy to be working with him. We have them in a range of different designs. Go have a look at the website if you want more, and I hope you have a trouble-free mounting session putting your graphics onto your Mini Fairing.